Alright guys, so welcome to today's video, and in today's video we will continue our work on the Star Platinum right here. And I know this work on the Star Platinum might be a little bit boring in Blender because it is just only about building, but you have to understand that we have to do this, so we need to do these preparations in order to, script a very cool Star Platinum later on, okay? So, just consider this as, well, a preparation we have to make. Alright, so today's video is about the scarf. So Star Platinum has some kind of scarf, and I'm just gonna try and, go ahead and build the scarf, okay? So that's the topic for today's video. And in the last episode, I have forgotten to enable the screencast keys plugin, which makes you able to see my mouse inputs right here, my mouse and my keyboard inputs. So, yeah, I've now enabled it, and I'm sorry for that. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna apply this edge split modifier, and so this is actually it, okay? We could maybe add some other stuff like this, but, well, I don't know. Let's just keep it as it is. So this is going to be our scarf right here, okay? And that's it with this video, guys. So it was a very, very short video, and I just do not want to bore you, okay, with all of this Blender stuff right here. I just want to finish it as fast as possible in order to script our Star Platinum, guys. I hope that you understand that, and yeah. But I have good messages for you. The next video is probably going to be about a series many of you do like. So I thought about creating a new episode for our One Piece game series, guys. But we will see, okay? So with that being said, leave a like, subscribe, share this with all of your friends, leave me feedback in the comment section, guys, and take care and see you in the next video.